Today's video is a final look at the mini USB displays added to the Odroid H2 Plus computers. I've added one display to each computer using the Adafruit USB serial backpack boards to give a rack of 4 displays, with each display connected to the computer via USB cable. A 3D printed fascia has also been added to the unit to leave only the LCDs showing. The purpose of these displays is to report on the current activity of each of the Odroids in the cluster. The current software runs every 10 minutes and then launches 4 worker processes on each computer, with the progress of each process displayed on the LCD display. As each worker process completes, a new worker process is launched until there are no more tasks to be done. I'll be covering the software that does all this over on the Power Basic for Beginners channel in a series of design videos over the next year. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.